Hi guys, in this course I'm gonna teach you how to make your first $1,000 online. So who am I? My name is Aurélien Emaker. I've been an online entrepreneur since 2010. I launched my first online course in 2010. That was a course about how to make money blogging. And I did my first big launch in 2011 and we did $550,000 of sales in 2 weeks, okay? So it was my first big launch. I'm not a big fan of the launch model, but that's what happened. I also launched a website in French about how to learn English, and that was really like a passive business, if you want, because I was working maybe a couple of hours per month on it. So it took time for me to build the offers, the courses I was selling on this website, writing the sales pages. But other than that, everything was delegated and it was making over $3,000 per month on autopilot. That was back in 2015. I just sold it this year actually. I also launched System.io in 2018. So that's a software, that's a tool that allows you to build your online business. You have all the main features, and we use System.io to run our entire business and do over, so this year we're gonna do 3 million in revenue. The software itself does 2 million in annual recurring revenue. We have 5,000 paying customers. But we sell also online courses, coaching programs. So all this, not to brag, but just to tell you that I've seen pretty much everything, okay? So the goals of this course today is to give you a condensed version of my 10 years experience in web marketing, okay? So it's short so you can consume it and act fast and get results, okay? Because knowledge is great, but at the end of the day, without action, there are no results. So I want you to learn fast so you can get started and get results as soon as possible. So what this course is not, it's not a magic pill or a surefire way to success because it's only by trying, and let's face it, often by failing, that you will find what works for you, okay? You're a different person than me. Maybe you're better at YouTube. Maybe you're better at Instagram. Maybe you're better at at copywriting, so you need to move fast, act, and find what works best for you, okay? It's not a step-by-step tutorial. You can search online to find tutorials, it's really about the strategy, about the meta, about what you want to do and how you're going to do it. And then the tiny little details, you can find them online. We have a Facebook group. You can ask, some help to the other people. So it would be boring if it was a tutorial. It's really about the strategy, about marketing. So the course content in part 1, we're going to see the slow classic way. So it works great. I've used it so many times and it works great. And that's what we were using back in the days to get started. And I found a much better way, okay? Around 2014, I found this method to sell expensive, high-ticket offers like, high-end seminars, one-on-one coaching. And what's amazing is that this method allows you to sell like very expensive stuff, and it is so fast and easy to do. So I think that today it's the best way to get started, okay? If I were to start all over again, I would use this new way. But there is another way, the easy way. So it's not as fast as the second way, but it's so much easier. Like you don't need many skills, okay? It's so much easier. So in part 3, I will tell you how it works so you can use it to make your first $1,000 online. So let's dive into part 1, the slow classic way.